Showing you how to do a spring cleanup on this lawn. Keep watching. So we're doing a spring cleanup here. I'll take you through what we do. Look at the grass. This is what I call a spring cleanup. Nice. So Nathan's poking the holes in the lawn. I just do a quick walk through, check all the downspouts, are they up? This is a nice yard. We do our aerating first. In this place, this part of the world. Oh, little piece of garbage. The spring is our wet season, so we aerate in the spring. That may be different for you. So Brandon is power raking, we call it. You could call it thatching, some people say de-thatching, but he's tearing the grass out by the root, essentially. Doing a good job. Lots of overlap. And we need voiceover for this. So I'm just blowing along the edges of the sidewalks and driveways. And you can blow out your beds as well. I'm just showing blowing the edges. But to do a cleanup, of course, you know, blow it all onto the lawn and then rake it up. And it just adds a little bit more to the cleanup. And especially the edges, it just defines it, I think. Adds a nice touch. Now you could say one-handed raking is like shirtless bacon. Hard to do. And you're right. But you can see quite a bit of grass comes up. You're going to see a little bit of dirt there. The more you can get, the better. So you might say go over this with a lawnmower and suck it up, but it's a lot for the lawnmower too. So we just give it a rake and then pile it up. No, I said we're pulling the grass out by the root. Not, that's like an exaggeration. I mean, we're breaking it off at the thatch level, thatch layer. I'll give him a hand. It's valuable footage. Just put the times down. Yeah, let it walk. Yeah, get it. Okay. The aerator was stuck. I think I can. So I'm back again. The final stage of our spring cleanup is just using the mower to vacuum up the lawn. We're not essentially mowing the grass. These mowers have excellent suction, and they just suck up all this grass. You can just showing you all the grass there. Some guy left a rake right in this guy's way where he's got to work, and just moving it out of the way. Something I'm not showing you. All our equipment's loaded up here, just inside the trailer. Is fertilizing. This is a very particular and personal portion. I'm showing the fertilizer I use, 20-10-10. And then there's also 10% sulfur in there, which I'm told just helps kind of balance some soil pH. But it's a little more of a particular choice. I'm doing my final walk around and just checking, you know, do we leave any tools, put all the downspouts down. And essentially we're done. We're leaving this house. I don't know if you can tell a difference here, but you can see all the grass removed, and which is essentially what the big thing is. I like that doorknob on that gate. I found it what it was for. So close all your gates and leave the customers alone. Thanks for watching.